Hi everyone, my name is Boris. We in my channel as usual, but I'm in a garage again. I disassemble my front wheel, front fork, because I have to repair my front fork because I have some uh, fluid lost from my front fork. And as I told before a long time ago, when I when I went from Almaty, I had some problems with my front fork, and I don't like this moments and these issues, and I have to do something for understanding what's wrong and how it fix. And first moment it was my front steering gears, um, but it was okay. And next moment I want to see what's going on with my front fork. And today I want to disassemble my front fork. I want to change my ceiling gears and install all back. And we have my front fork from VTX1800, and it's my fork seals complete. It's most racing. Usually I use all balls, seals, dust seals, but in this moment I have one choice because all balls was too ordered too long time to delivery. And we will see what's going on into my front fork, and let's go. So I have to screw my top bolt on my both of my forks, and easier to do this activity when your fork installed on your traverses on your motorcycle. But in my case I have my bar under these bolts, and it's impossible, and I don't want to disassemble my bar, and it will be too long. But I have this tool and it will be easy. And it was first one, and it will be second. Yes. Next moment, we have in one fork, we have bolt on the ground, and in the second, on the second, we haven't. And also this fork, it's different. We have difference between left and right forks, and also when we will be assemble and install all forks, Also, we have different level of oil in these forks, and I will tell about this later. Let's go. I have to disassemble this. Let's start from, it doesn't matter, from right, yes, it's right. It's right fork, and we'll start. I have to prepare my something for old fluid. It will be a little dirty. I I don't like to do some operation with fork, but I have to. Yes, here we go. Yes, we have some power, and also it's some details from your fork. You have to be prepared for this. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, it's our fork spring. Bye-bye. And we have difference between the top of spring and low, and this one was the top. But I have to see how it on service manual, because I'm not sure, maybe it was installed wrong, because as I remember we have to install spring more big space on the low and more hard part on the top of our fork, but I'm not sure. I have to see this on my service manual. And okay, how it was this. Okay, and it's all, and we have to disassemble these two parts, and I have to just a second. Yes, it's a first moment, and this we have fixation detail. Yes. And next I have to disassemble this with my power. Yeah, bushings is not bad statement. Okay. Here we go. It's one disassembled fork. All these details from one fork, and I have to disassemble my next left fork. Let's go. My left side, it's a little different, but okay. Oh, and in the second fork, in the second fork from the left side, it was without some power when I screwed out my top bolt. Okay. Perfect. We have some special bolt on the top. I have to think about this. I have to create some special tool today, and I was thinking about I will I was thinking about I will done today's evening, today's night, but I have to take more time for my created some special tool, and I will end in tomorrow. So okay,